Hi, my name is Duncan Scattergood and welcome to this short video showing how to use the visibility features in Forms on the Move to control how a user flows through a form. If this all looks interesting and you're not already a Forms on the Move customer, please head on over to our website formsonthemove.com to learn more and set up an account to try Forms on the Move for yourself. For demo purposes, I've set up a very simple form with a series of items, and what we're going to do is control when they're displayed. On the right hand side, I have a previously published form with the same setup so we can see what we're trying to achieve. Let's start with something really simple. If item 1 is set to yes, then display item 2 and otherwise don't. In OnTheMove configure to manage that behaviour, all I need to do is edit item 2, click on the visible tab and set up the rule. It really is that simple. Let's do something fractionally more complex. What we're going to do this time is show item 4 if item 1 is yes, and item 3, which is a number, is greater than 10. Again, it's very simple in configure, except this time I have two rules that I want to AND together. My final example is even more sophisticated. Item 5 is a multi-select, so I can choose 1, 2 or more values. The rule I want is to show item 7 if item 5 has value A selected or item 5 has value B selected and the date in item 6 is more than 5 days in the future. Let's see that in action. Just selecting B doesn't show item 7, but now setting the date 5 days in the future it does. Deselect B and our field disappears. Move the date back to today and select B again, the field doesn't show, but the moment I select A it does. Okay, that seems quite complex, but in Forms on the Move, once again, it really is simple to implement. First show if A is selected, and now implement the OR condition. Notice how with dates I can implement things as an offset from today. As an aside, everything that I've just shown about conditioning fields in and out works exactly the same if I want to manage a whole section. What this means is that it's simple to create a process that guides the user to do the right thing. This is critically important in complex or fast changing scenarios where you need to maximise data quality whilst eliminating any training requirement. As a reminder, if you're not already a Forms on the Move user, head over to our website to learn more or set up an account to try Forms on the Move for yourself.